Okay, so hi and welcome to today's show, and we'll go through about 10 or 12 items today, including a new little 4-inch Garrington Daimler, which gives me a lot of trouble. First of all, these pliers. So first of all, this 10-inch Crescent lineman's pliers. Lovely set these, just a little bit of surface rust on. There'll be a future video coming up of these in the next couple of videos where I'll clean these. They come up lovely and shiny. And their littler brother, an 8-inch pair of Crescent linesmen. Again, just with surface rust on. Must have lived in the same toolbox. And this pair just says made in Sheffield. Nothing special about these compared to the other two. Now these are just a bundle of little King Dicks. I shall give these a clean up in the future and keep the best one or two. This is the horriblest looking speed wrench going. I'm not sure what it is. I shall stick that on the wire wheel and have an investigate. Another little tiny King Dick. Now I believe I paid £16 and £3.20 postage for this, so about 20 quid, $24, and this is the spanner I wanted. This is a B&C, which is bemis and cool. So all the little King Dicks and the speed wrench are extra because I'd have paid that just for that bemis and cool. That's nice. I'll be restoring that in the very, very near future, along with a bemis and cool pipe wrench. On to the next package now, and this is 2 polishing blocks. These come in at about £7 each, about $9 each for these. They'll last me a good, well, probably, I'm going to say 9 months. 9 months each they'll last. And now on to my pain in the arse of the week. This is a 4-inch Garrington, and again I managed to find a Daimler one. So I mean, they're like buses, aren't they? Nothing comes along and then 2 come along at once. And just in case you think I'm using the same spanner for material, here's the Daimler and Jaguar I done the other day. So that's an even rarer vision. See them all together. Okay, the seller was very honest and said it was shut and wouldn't open. So I thought, give that a bit of force, I'll open that. No. So I'm going to have to give it a spray with the old man oil, rust penetrant, and see if that will dissolve the rust or whatever's holding it in there, because it will not move. So, as we've seen, this stuff works wonders in the past. Unfortunately, today it does not. First of all, it don't want to spray because the heads fell off. But it still wouldn't move. And now I'm going to soak it. Give it a proper soaking, let that penetrate and eat anything that's in the way. That can sit there now. Right, next day. Guess what? Get a screwdriver in there, it still won't move. What a pain this one is. Right, on to the serious stuff. 50-50. Scoutcrafter's mix. I have got it to move just by the tiniest fraction. That is enough to get a chisel in and give it a little bit of leverage. So I'm going to let it soak first for about a bloody week. Right, while we leave that to soak for a few days, a few weeks, we'll move on to the next package. So we're pulling out of this parcel a King Dick. This one is an Edward Tilson. This is a burston 8-inch with the spring missing. Lucky me, that's the hardest bit to fix. This is a weird spanner. I see this and I said to Ben I'm going to bid on it because it's a bit weird, and he agreed with me. Another Edward Tilson. Two, look. Oh dear. Kind of worthless. They're little bicycle spanners from about, I think, 1930s. They've got a patent number on and stuff. Loads of these. I think I've got 3 or 4 of these at the minute. So this, it looked good in the photographs, and then it turned up and it's the cheapest lightweight thing ever produced. I was interested because the fun wheel's in the middle, but as you can hear, I don't know, it sounds like it's made from tin. This King Dick should clean up quite nice. Not one of the earliest, but you know, clean it up, that'll look good. Burston, I'm going to clean this up in a video shortly. I think I'm going to go orange, back orange in the handle, because there is orange in the handle, look, so let's try and keep it original. And replace the spring, obviously. And this tinny thing, wow. I think I paid £16 for this entire parcel. I put that tinny thing on eBay and was offered 25 quid the same day, so I took it. These scissors, you've already seen these restored in an earlier video. That's how out of order my stuff is. And as you remember, these come up very nice. If you want to see the restoration on these, there'll be a link at the end. So they're all coming from the same person, those spanners and these scissors. The spanners, I paid the postage on them and they said they'd chuck this in postage free, and I paid 99 pence for those scissors. Okay, due to my confusion and lost edits and everything, this has been sitting in 50-50 for 3 weeks. And what Scoutcrafter don't tell you about 50-50 is once you get it on your hands, it's it stays on them. You can't wash it off. The smell is there forever. These are the pliers from the Armando Lonnie challenge at Halloween, all that time back. They've kept very well, and they're absolutely perfect for this job of grabbing that tiny little pin. This is still stuck in there quite solid, amazingly enough, but now the pin's out and the thumb wheel's out, I can find a punch that's the right size and tap it out gently with a hammer. So, just got to search through the punch box now and find one that fits. This punch worked fine until it bottomed out and I just finished the job off with a screwdriver. Right, wire brush that hole out. These wire brushes come off of Amazon. Scoutcrafter told us all about these. I think they was about 12 quid for a pack of 8. Bargain, because they get where nowhere else can. Just using the cordless drill here with a wire wheel on just to clean that sliding jaw up. Bit of brake and clutch cleaner on this to wash out all the shit from inside it. And now, upon reassembly, I forgot there was still a little bit of damage to the jaw here and there. See that? Little tiny bit. And a little bit that side there as well. So, fibre wheel has cured that in seconds. It's not the easiest to wind in and out. So, I'm going to add a dash of oil. I found in an oil can to it. Can't find my oil since I cleaned up and done my tool wall. And that seems to work and make everything much easier. Right, so here it is, finished job. Can't show you before picture because it was so long ago in my terms, only 12 minutes ago for you, but it was so long ago for me, I've lost the footage of it before. Oh look, 2 daimlers next to each other. How often do you see 2 daimlers next to each other? Not all that often, but I'll tell you what's rarer. 2 daimlers with a Jaguar parked between them. Look at that. Right, thanks for watching. Link at the end for the scissors. Yeah, so have a good one. Bye for now.